Hello everyone! Welcome to my first day challenge to speak English just for 5 minutes. Okay, why I'm making this video? Because I want to challenge myself so fluence so fluence me to speak English because I am in sixth semester, especially in English language education. But for me, it's still so hard to speaking English uh, friendly. So that's why I want to practice because I have a big dream. I want to go to London, UK. Amin ya rabbal alamin. So if I can speak English, maybe in my future I got a high score, especially in TOEFL or maybe IELTS, and then maybe in the future I'm so proud of myself because I'm I want to try because it is so hard to start, as everyone say, so hard to start first. But maybe if you're consistent from now, maybe in the future you may get more better than before. So yes, welcome to my channel. So if you want to join me, don't forget to share your link, your video to speak English, and then I will subscribe your channel. And yes, good luck, wish me luck. My planning start from now. Yes, I want to have friends in English, more understand about what they say, and then more confidence, and yeah, more happy. Okay, I still have 3 minutes more, and then I want to talk about my days. Maybe, yeah, today is my holiday. It's Friday. Yeah, public holiday. So I just stay at home doing something hobby. For example, I read some book. I bought this maybe 3 months ago at Gramedia. I buy the self-aware leader. So uh, for your information, I'm a leader in some organization in my college, and yeah, I have been 2 years in my organization. One period being multimedia, and one period being leaders. Yes. So far, that's make me feel so stressed, dizzy, but I have learned more about because I'm not used to it to leaders of people, but in this place I learn how to adapt with their characteristic, what they want, and then how to support their skill, and then how to support them. And yeah, I'm so proud of myself until this now. And right now I'm in sixth semester, and actually I have a lot of something to do. I have assignment from my colleagues, and then I'm in some community from Pertamina because I got scholarship for 2 years, and then I have some program I need to finish, and after that I also doing my partner as English teacher private. I'm so proud of myself. I have been 1 years being English teacher private, and then and sometimes I got some part time being a master of ceremony for some event. And yeah, last year it's make me feel crazy because I have a lot of things to do. I need to finish, but I have not enough time at that time, and until I got sick. Yes. um uh, okay, I think that's all for today. I got 5 minutes not started speaking in Indonesia. I just speaking English. In the first challenge, I feel so nervous, and I'm not get used to it. But maybe in the next video, I will try my best. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.